So what up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So welcome to Mfez'emnyama guys. Apparently Mfez'emnyama has commented that who's the best maskandi musician. Khuzani is the best maskandi musician and he is the king of maskandi. If you don't get that into your head, actually you are not right, which means when awukho kahle uphilanga kahle khanda if awukuboni lo ukuthi uKhuzani win king of maskandi. So guys, here's what he has to say. Here's the video where he says it all.
Khuzani ukuthi kumaskandi uphethe bheka abalandeli bakhe ngeke ukwazi ukuphikisana ngehlo lenyama leli. Uyabona uphikisana lokho kusho ukuthi uyisiphukuphuku la ekhanda lakho, uyisilima ngalendlela exakile. Ngeke ukwazi ukuthi athi ama video ekhona eveza abalandeli abaningi ukuphikisa wena lokho cha mangabe ukuphikisa lokho wena uyisilima ekhanda lakho.
So guys, this is really from the horse's mouth. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share your opinion down in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload another entertainment video. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.